What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In the last video we did the Boost Auto Parts LED switchbacks in my tow mirrors, and I did not realize, or I didn't even really think about the fact that the cargo lights in the front, those only work as cargo lights. And on my old truck I had aftermarket mirrors, and the way everything was wired up, they came on when the truck went into reverse. So I want to do the same with these tow mirrors. So this light right here, right now, only comes on when I hit this cargo light for the back. So when I turn that on, it kicks that light on, as well as the lights up there in the back. I don't know if you can really see that. So let's turn that off. So anyways, Boost Auto Parts makes a little kit. It's really easy. It's just a couple T-taps and this connector, and you basically there's some wires under the dash. If you can see all these little harness things. We pull this brown one and this pink one right here, pull both of those out, and then after we pull those out, we put the T-taps on one wire on each harness and then plug them in together, and then the cargo lights work as cargo lights, as well as when you put the truck in reverse. So we're going to try to knock that out real quick, and after that we'll see what else we got going on. But let's get that knocked out real quick and we'll go from there. Alright, so got the wiring, and push that down to get that out of the way. But we're going to take out this brown. There's a little tab on the bottom side that you just push with your finger. I can get my finger in there. And then just pull down. Do the same with the pink one. Alright, so on this brown connector, we're looking for this blue wire with a brown stripe, and on the pink one we're looking for the brown wire with a white stripe. Be careful, because there's a brown one with like a yellowish stripe. We want the brown with the white stripe. So we're just gonna clip some T-taps onto that. Let me dump these out. Let me clip these on real quick, and then I will show you how to connect them after that. Alright, so if you see on this brown one, this pin down here in the very corner is a blue with brown stripe. It's pin number 26. I got the T-tap on there. And then the pink one, you want pin 26 as well, but this one's located not quite in the corner. It's just one little, one side over, and it's this brown with white wire. I put a T-tap on there as well. So now we're gonna plug these back in. Pink goes here, and the brown goes next to it. Now we got the little T-taps hanging off. And we plug this into both of these. It's very important. The blue little band side goes on the brown. So it goes like this. I'm going to plug it in real quick and then I'll show you guys. Alright, so I got them plugged in. Just like that. Oh, so now we will test it real quick. I put these tools away. I had some needle nose pliers I used to help pinch those T-taps. Kind of hard to pinch with your hands. So alright, so let's give this a try. Make sure they work. So we're gonna hop in the car. Start the truck. And pop it into reverse. And I don't know if you guys can see. The other side over there. So we have success. Very, very easy to do. Sorry. Stupid dash cam's making noise. So yeah, it's very easy to do. You just got to put those two, put the T-taps on those two wires, and then just connect them with that little wire, making sure that the blue side with the little blue band goes on the brown connector. And other than that, there's nothing to it. I guess we'll make sure that the cargo lights still work. Yep, comes on when you hit the cargo. So yeah, we're good. I guess that concludes that installation. I don't really have a whole lot right now to do with the truck. Let's see. I have a lot coming. I just don't have the stuff here. I got some stuff from Whirly Custom Fab that I ordered a couple weeks ago. I got these boxes. I was gonna do those, but then I decided to order some more stuff, and it makes more sense just to do them all at the same time. I don't want to tear into the engine bay to do some of this stuff, and then when the other stuff comes, have to basically do some of the same work. So I think I'm gonna wait until we get this other stuff from them. The other stuff some of it has to get powder coated, so it's gonna be a bit longer of a wait than it was just to get this other stuff that I have here. I'm not ready to tell you guys quite yet what it is, but I'm sure most of you guys if you're familiar with Whirly Custom Fab, you can probably imagine, at least get a good idea. It's not a new turbo yet. That's a plan down the road, but these are some of the supporting mods that need to be done before we go that route. So, yeah, we got that coming. Still waiting on freaking seat covers that I ordered. I think it's going on 12 weeks now. Cover King. I've used them in the past with my last truck. I love the seat covers, but I am not too happy with their customer service or their length of time it's taken to make them. They told me when I ordered them it was going to be 6 weeks. Well, we're at 12 and still no sign of them. Contacted customer support 3 or 4 times. Every time I talk to them, they tell me, oh, they're shipping out this week. They don't ship. So I'm about done with them. I'm about ready to ship the ones that I have back. I got the fronts. I'm just waiting on the back. I'm about ready just to ship these back and cancel the payment on my credit card, because it's just ridiculous. I understand, like, stuff happens and whatever, but 12 weeks is insane. It's double what they originally estimated at the time. So what else? I got I want to finish getting some of the chrome off. I may get the little trim on the window and on the door. I may get that wrapped. The door handles, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I want to get some, I really want to get some LED switchback handles paint matched just like my last truck. So I'm looking into that. The headlights, I 100% want to get rid of these amber reflectors. I want those, get the clears in here. I haven't decided 100% if I want to leave this black background or if I should have them, while they take this off to get the clear, or put the clears in, have them paint match the inside. Just I haven't decided yet. I do want to get the new dome lights, whatever, the cab lights. I haven't decided what I want yet. I'm looking at the Recon ones, but I haven't decided whether I want the all clear or if I want the smoked ones. So I haven't ordered those yet because I'm still trying to decide. What else? I think that's it for now. Oh, one other thing I do have, I just haven't had time to do it yet, is the cameras that go into the tow mirrors. And then there's some little controller box that mounts in behind the stereo. I have to pull the dash out, or at least pull the stereo out to get this thing connected. I have a feeling that's probably going to be like a full weekend project, because then I have to put the tow mirror, like the bottom mirror caps have built-in cameras, and you have to run wiring through the door. So that's going to be a big project. I do have the stuff for that, but I'm not sure when I'm going to tackle that project because it's going to take a while. Plus, I ultimately want to color match the mirrors, so I'm trying to decide if I should get everything color matched before I do the install on this. I just haven't decided. But anyways, we still have a ton of stuff planned. So hit that subscribe button, stick around, and watch us transform the truck. And if you like these videos, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.